So what are the benefits of a trust? Why should I have one? Well, the most important thing is it's going to prevent you from going through probate. Well, actually not you, it's your loved ones. Because remember, this happens when you pass away. So keep in mind, you pass away, and if it's not in a trust, your assets are not properly funded in the trust, it will likely go to probate. What is probate? It's a court process. It's a very expensive process. It could cost tens of thousands to much, much more money-wise. It'll be time consuming. It could take 6 to 18 or more months. If it's contested, there are some trust probates that frankly never got resolved yet after many, many years. So that as well. And it's also public, meaning all of your assets will be known to the rest of the world. It's a public process. The last thing that most important to me is what you're doing if you don't put it in a trust and you don't protect your assets, you're creating a burden for your loved ones. Now keep in mind, the people that you love the most are your beneficiaries, and your beneficiaries are going to have to go through this probate process. So what you're doing is you're not protecting your own family, the people you love the most, if it's not in a trust. I strongly recommend, if you need some help putting in a trust, let us know. We can guide you to the proper attorneys that will allow you to protect all of your assets. You could protect them from your creditors, and it'll also allow you to dictate specific terms of the inheritance for your beneficiaries. For example, your child or grandchild maybe doesn't get anything until the age of X. If they have a job, if they've graduated from college, you could put any of those provisions in there to your liking. And that's a conversation with your attorney. So I'm not your attorney. I can't help you write the trust, but I do understand the value in it. And I do have context that can help you. The other is it could protect you from estate taxes if you have an irrevocable trust. So things to consider. If you have some questions, feel free to reach out to us. We'd love to connect you to the proper professionals that'll guide you to protect your wealth in real estate. We trust that this has been helpful for you. We're going to also talk about estate tax if you don't protect enough of your assets, what you could be faced with. So hopefully this has been helpful to you. Aloha.